Learn how to weld before you build. There's a process when it comes to welding and fabrication. And a lot of the times you have to learn the basic processes on learning how to weld in all positions, or at least in 4 positions: vertical, horizontal, flat, and overhead. Once you learn those positions and you learn how to weld with using the stick rod and using the MIG welding machine, then you can start building products. But you have to start from somewhere, and where you start from is learning first. Everybody learn different. For me to say, hey, I guarantee you will learn everything in 30 days, I can't say that. There's some people that learn in a week and keep it on, because it's all about, once you learn, you have to stay at the practice. Practice make perfect, as we know. So most people that's trying to jump into it now is actually trying to get their hands dirty by getting a job or starting an independent business or building their own products. Whatever you're doing, you're still going to have to get your hands dirty. But you have to start from learning the welding processes and learning how to stick weld, learning how to MIG weld, learning how to TIG weld. Whatever you're doing, there's a process to everything. But you can mix the processes up. You don't have to start traditional. You can just pick which area you want to start from. I don't want to get burnt. I just want to TIG weld. Hey, you know what? I just want to do some shop fabrication, make some cool things. All I need to know how to do is wire and flux core. You know what? I like field insulation. I want to go out and install things. I like being outside. I want to hang some iron. I want to weld in some pipe. You can start sticking. Your options are limitless as long as you learn the process. Hold on.